Alright, so we're going to get it started. My name is Andre Pittman. I'm in Kinesiology 205, Section 1, and we're going to show you how to put an attachment onto your Google Calendars. So here we click day, click Kines 205. Okay, it's going to be our event. We have a day, time. We're going to set this to be in the morning, so let's put it at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Our time zone is going to be Central Time. Okay, and then we're going to add our guests, whoever we want on here. Just type in their Gmails. And this is where we're going to attach it. So we'll click here on attachments. Simple as going to workouts. Let's say I want to do my workouts. I want everybody to see what we have for the day planned. They can look at this beforehand to know what we're doing. And then just simply save it. So now we can click on this day. It'll pop up here. It'll alarm in 30 minutes before. So at 8:30 a.m. look at the alarm. And then I can click on here, see the workouts that we have planned. Oops. And yep, that's all.